Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty and we're at the Dollar Tree. They put out some new stuff. Sugar skulls. Really cute. These are felt and adorable. Look at these cool combs. Aren't those neat? The color? Coming for a spell. Got some window clings. Those are awesome. They have a ton of headbands right now. Oh, some more new signs. This is cool. Aww, love. Desktop organizers. Stencil wheels. A whole bunch of different ones. That's cool. I always get the cart, guys. Always. Oh, these are pretty. That was nice. Can you guys see? Sometimes with the glare, it's hard to see the detail. I got one of these. They're so cute. I can't believe that I saw the bigger version of this at Hobby Lobby for like 100 times the price. Which is in. Wow, these sold quickly. Ow. You guys. Is this new? I don't know. New washi? Here's some more. Oh, wow. Look at these. Oh, I definitely want this one. I like this bow better, though. You guys like this bow better? I like this bow better. These are awesome. Black and white pumpkins are cool. Like these ones. Very nice. Oh, and they have these cute polka dot ones. So fun. These are gonna go fast. It's a good deal for $1. We looked at these in our last couple of videos, so I'm going to skip them. I will link that video at the end of this video so you guys can check it out. Some gourds. Yeah, we looked at all this stuff. Cool. Oh, they put out the carving stuff. The LED strobe lights. Pumpkin carving kit. Actually, that's a good one. It's got a nice big scoop. And look at that knife is good. It's not a little teeny one that breaks. Pumpkin decorating kit makes 4. Glows in the dark. Fun. I've gotten these a couple years when my daughter was younger, for a couple years, or a couple times I should say. That way you don't have to carve your pumpkins too early. And they have these every year. So many DIYs with those, I see. And then they started putting out Halloween costumes. No way. Mermaid, headbands, unicorn, cute little ladybug, bumblebee. Here's another unicorn. Then the headband. Oh my god, for $2. So cute. Put a leotard on. Done. Cute wings. Oh my gosh, guys, look it. Oh no, they just put these on, so it's going to be hard to show you. Look, they have little mermaid tails. That's awesome, and they have them back here in pink. That's so cool. More signs. Bright hair headbands. Just pretending, dress up fun headbands. Cute. Crown. Whoa. They got a warrior mask. Bat mask. Got the whole thing here. Got a badass little sword. Oh boy. I got a saw, blade with a headband. Do you put this, if you put that on your head? No. Oh boy. Look it. Happy harvest. The leaves with falling. I can't read. The leaves are falling, so autumn is calling. Grateful, thankful, and blessed in the royal blue. Oh no, 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 don't fall. This one is nice too. Sweater weather. Those are cool. Those are really cool. Oh, wow. The little skull heads. They have them in orange too. The pumpkins, the chipmunks, and the owls. Collect all 5 animal nose masks. Oh my gosh. Too much. Look it. That's so funny. Little mask and wings. Wow, they got a lot since the last time we were here. All right, let's take a peek over this way. College buckets. These cool black owls. And the skulls. Okay, we did this section. I'm sorry about the cart, guys. There's not much I can do. I need to hold my pocketbook in there. We went over this section in that last video. So I will, again, let you guys see it in the link at the end. Little skull tea light candles. Pumpkins. These get cuter every year. We've also gone through this section as well. Hi, how are you? And then put a bunch of these out. Oh, they have just the regular orange or black ones too. Hi, nice to meet you. Okay, let's keep on keeping on. Lots of goodies. That's exciting. If you get coupons for this, this is a good freebie. The Mucinex. I want to go down the candle craft aisle though. This was also in the video at the last time I was at this store. Oh, it doesn't look like they put out any new candles. Okay. No, I don't think this aisle. I think they've been working so hard on the front, you know? Be still and know that I am God. Life is lovely. Gratitude is the best attitude. Good morning. All right. This aisle's empty. Well, not empty. You know what I mean. Ow. Some patriotic stuff. Oh my gosh, this cart. No. You know what I need? You guys need to tell me where to get them. This purse, I love it, but it doesn't snap closed. Where do I buy those? Do I just get them at Walmart? Or like Michael's? I need 2 of them. Or should I order them from Amazon? I love the pocketbook so much. It's exactly the right size, but I don't love that I can't close it, especially when I'm in stores, you know? Natural Daily Dental Care. Chicken wrapped sweet potato biscuits. Home is where my bowl is. These are cute. What does this one say? Don't touch my food. You know I had to do it. You know I had to do it. Well, they got some new cat toys. Let's see, anything new for cats? Cute little coin purses. I bought one of these a while ago. Little hair clip. Okay. Let's go down this way. Okay. So they have a really cool way of organizing these now. And I love it. These are cool. Look at it. I like this one a lot. Isn't that pretty? Lots of pot holders. Towels. And they do have the black and white check. And look. That's cool. I had to get a better hold of my phone. Look at Pretty by Expressions. Look at these. Super comfort. These would be great for when you put your makeup on. It says they're for, you know, working out and stuff, but they're really, really soft. They have it in gray. That's really cool. Because it's so soft. Like, you could take that on and off without messing everything up. Look at these. They got little pearls on them. And these are such a good value. And the packaging is super cute. I just can't get over these for $1. They have a few different designs. They have some scarves. Look at these. I think I want to get one of these for when I put my makeup on, because I don't like my hair to be on my face. I think I'm gonna. I don't really like things behind my ears, though. That's the thing. I'm gonna regret not getting those. Wow. I haven't seen these. Look at it. Fun. These are so cute. So cute. Little pink piggy bank. Look at it. These are really cute. Oh my gosh. I know they're just piggy banks, but I just think they're so adorable. Look, guys. Lunchables dirt cake, chocolate cookie crumbs, frosting, and gummy worms. That's so cool. They have some wasabi peas, 3.5 ounces. I've never seen these before. Munch Rights is the brand name. Good as a snack or a topping. Have you guys tried these? You get 24 in a pack, multi-surface wipes. I think I might get some for the car. Let me know if you've tried them. I mean, I'm buying them anyway, but everybody else in the comment section will want to know if they work good. I think 24 for $1 is a pretty good deal. Let me know. These are new. Cars and trucks. Those are awesome. I don't think any of the other ones are new. I don't think, maybe this one. Have we seen this one? Is it gonna focus? That's cute. Okay, guys, we're gonna end here with me looking for the Barbie stuff still. I know, I'm gonna drive you guys crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you come shopping with me again. I'm gonna get a couple snacks and I'm gonna go home. Guys, just when I was about to leave you all, Barbie. It's only a couple things, but I finally found it. I have been looking in the last like 3 or 4 videos. Love.